Hey, good day, teachers. I want to show you today how you can use SchoolAI to create a quick and easy activity for your class that is standards-based. The standard that I'm going to try to create an activity for today is the writing strand for English about using quotation marks with dialogue. In SchoolAI, I am going to start in the Tools section. And I could create this as a worksheet. I'm going to try the build your own feature here. So basically you start by clicking the button that says generate. So to save you watching me type this document, I've decided to ask SchoolAI to create a story about a kid's camping trip that includes dialogue, but doesn't use the quotation marks. And then after the story, show the corrected version that does include all the correct punctuation. So I'm also going to add the standards here. And so you start right here. When you land on the standards, it defaults to the Common Core standards, but our Virginia standards are there. So just go ahead and work your way left to right, start here and pick Virginia and work your way across. You have to be a little bit patient for things to populate. Okay, so I worked my way across there, pulling down each of those menus, and I'm just going to go with the exact standard that I am looking for, and you just close this box. And now that standard's going to appear right there, and we're ready to generate and see what happens. So it looks like I have a good result here. I'm now going to do probably the single most important thing, which is I'm going to very, very carefully proofread what it has created for me. You can edit the story directly inside of SchoolAI, and in order to have some additional editing tools other than the ones across the top here, is you can just select any part of it, and these AI tools come up over here. And there's some fun things there. Make something longer or shorter. You can emojify something. You can change the tone, and you can see how there's lots of fun tones to pick from over here. On this other side, I can change my instructions and regenerate the entire thing. But right now I'm just going to carefully proofread. Okay, so I have done my due diligence and carefully read this, and so now I'm ready to share it with my students. So I'm going to choose export. At this point, I'm certainly ready. I can print it if I want to do it on paper, or I can go to Google Classroom and create it as an assignment. I can choose Kami assignment if I want the students to do it online and I want to be able to see what they're doing while they're doing it. Would make a great Kami assignment. Or I can just simply assign it as a document. Have a great day, everybody, and remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.